Sounds like progress. Welcome to H.P.T Powertrain. So let's go see what this is about and go to the back part around the blast furnace. Let's go. Oh, sneak on right here. Oh, get behind this camera. Okay, come on, David. All right. Okay, so we got something pertaining to getting this track coming into this skip hoist here. Those of you guys that don't understand how a skip hoist works, okay, they come with their coke, dump it into the bottom of the skip hoist, and of course you need an elevated platform for this. The hoppers dump from the underneath, dumps them into the skip hoist, and these skip hoist cars, they got some cars in here, come up and drop the material into the top of the chute here, okay? So with that being the way it is, for the hoppers to release and it travel up here, you have to come into a incline, okay? So this looks like it's going to be around a 2% incline going all the way back to my switch where you guys are at. Right there is a switch, okay? So I could have took my time and built me some risers and homemade me something out of cardboard or wood to come back into here. Instead, I wanted to try something I've never tried before, and that is the risers, which is in here. So this is a 2% riser that I ordered, and I'm hoping that I can get this thing to work out. So we got a big box here with another beautiful graphic box. Look at that. 2% incline right there. There you go. 2% incline set. So let's see if we can use this here. All right, so let's peel this out. It's so pretty, the box. I really don't want to destroy the box. Psych. All right. There we go. We open this thing up, and there we go. We got riser pieces, okay? Different riser pieces. So what we're going to have to do is figure out what is going to be the closest to the height of this. I could always elevate or lower. So let's see what's closer. We're looking at 2.5 on this end. Nope. Too tall. I don't know if we're going to have it, y'all. I don't know if we're going to have it. We're going to need this maybe over here. So that one's definitely too tall. Oh. Nope. Okay, now we're getting close. Let's see what this says. 3 inch. Still not going to work. Maybe. Where's it at? Right here. Dead on. 2.5 inch. Boom. There we go. So what's nice about these risers, you can curve them the way you want. So I have some pins. Where my pins are at? Here are my pins, and I can go ahead and curve it just like the way I want. So maybe something like this. Okay. Let's see what this is here. Looks like it's going to be this one. Yep, sure is. Now what we need to do is really drop it to go into the switch. So I'm hoping that I can come up with something that'll work. So maybe something like this here. And then, oh Lord, this is going to take some thinking. Because as you can see, we're on the switch. Oh. So at least we got the pieces right. Okay, we got the right pieces. But it looks like I'm just going to have to do some cheating on this area, this part here. So, I guess the easiest way to cheat this is maybe moving this up a little bit. Maybe. Let's try to move the platform up a little bit. Maybe around half. Something like this. Okay. We'll pull this back a little bit. We're not gaining much, but we're gaining a little bit more than what I had. And we're here on this area. So, okay. This is going to be the fun part. Fun part is figuring out how to drop it from here to here. So, maybe I should have went with a 4% incline. Maybe. No, actually, no. This is it. Okay, so never mind. Forget that I said that. All right, so what I'm going to do is probably take this last one here, catch it from here, leave this the way it is, catch this one here, and turn this into maybe it'd be like a 3% incline here. So I'm going to have to cut this down. Okay, so I have to cut this down to meet the switch. So I'm going to have to do some more planning off camera. And I'm glad that I'm looking at this the way I'm seeing it now. So, there we go. Just wanted to show you guys what we got coming up. And as you know, a model railroad, you cannot jump into this really quick. Okay, so you have to take your time, plan things out, and see how this is going to work. Not worried about securing, gluing it. I'm not worried about none of that. At this point, I'm just worried about it getting into this switch here. So it's going to have to really, actually, let me see where I'm going to be. Actually, it's going to have to come like this from this switch. Okay. Here. Here. I'll start staging myself up till I get into this area. So maybe move this one. And maybe come with this one. Do it backwards, right? Maybe do this. And then it goes up. So that's going to be something to think about. Leave that the way that is. Tell you what, move this one. Put this one back. Oh. And work that piece into here. There's going to be some rigging going on here, okay? And then, of course, if you take your track and lay it on top here, the track's going to follow over here like this. Same thing here. And it starts going down into your switch. So, it's going to have to be a tough gradient here. Okay, more planning off camera. Please like and subscribe if this has helped you and you're enjoying to follow along for the folks that want to see and learn about model railroading. And share your tips and tricks also. See you later, guys.